Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see who has viewed your TikTok profile. It's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing first, you want to click on your profile at the bottom right. And once you click on your profile at the bottom right, in order to see who has viewed your TikTok profile, you have to turn on a setting called TikTok profile views from your TikTok setting. So I will teach you how to do that. But before I teach you how to do that, I want you guys to update your TikTok because the profile view feature is only available in the latest version of TikTok. So if your TikTok is not up to date, this will not work. So make sure to update your TikTok and follow the step which I will show you. Now once you're in the profile of your TikTok, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Now once you click on the three line, you want to click on the third option where it says settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, you want to click on the second option called privacy. Once you click on the privacy option, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here, scroll a bit down at the bottom until you see this option called profile views. It's the second last option. And click on profile views and make sure to turn it on by clicking on the on button at the top right. Once you turn it on, it's going to show you the people who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. So every 30 days it's going to be resetted, so you need to keep that in mind. So if it shows you no person, that means nobody has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. So once you turn the setting on, once you come on your TikTok profile, at the top right corner you can see this little foot icon. It's going to show you the foot icon, or it's going to show you the profile of people who has viewed your TikTok profile. Click on the foot icon and it's going to show you the number of people who has viewed your TikTok profile. So in my case it shows me none, which means in the last 30 days nobody has viewed my TikTok profile. So that's how you guys can see who has viewed your TikTok profile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.